Fix certificate errors on your computer. When it comes to certificates on your computer, normally, there shouldn't be any problems. However, there will always be a small chance that you can receive an error while working on a certificate. There are a couple of ways that the computer will deal with certificates. One way is if you are browsing the internet and you come across a site that requires a certain certificate, and the other when you are using the certificate wizard via the web server. This article deals with how to solve certificate errors received during the use of either the Internet or the certificate wizard. Both processes are easy, and if you follow the steps written below, you should have no problems. For the fixes to work, however, you need to be connected to the Internet. What to do to fix the certificate wizard's X500 errors? If you are using the certificate wizard, then you may come across this error. When this happens, a small window will pop up, saying an input field contains invalid X500 characters. Chances are, you used a certain X500 character, like, on a field labeled organization. If so, there is no way to fix it on your own, but you can fix it by downloading a hotfix. The Microsoft website provides a downloadable fix for this specific problem, so you are in luck. Simply download it from the website, install it by putting the file into your system directory, and try again. Everything should now be fixed and working properly. There are other, much smaller errors, but this article will not delve into that, though most of them can be fixed by simply restarting your computer. There are certain forums dedicated to these problems as well, so it is always best to do a little research. What to do with certificate errors coming from the Internet? You may come across a website which your browser does not have a certificate to, barring you from entering the website and showing you to an error screen. There are some websites which require specific certificates. You can find these certificates via research through the Internet. However, most of the websites can be accessed by downloading the certificate from the site. You can do this by selecting the certificate error option, which is next to the browser's address bar, and then clicking on View Certificates. It will then give you an option to install the certificate of that website, which is easy enough so long as you properly follow the instructions. Once it has been installed, you should no longer be experiencing this error. If it is still happening, then retry the installation process, as it may not have properly installed, or perhaps restarting your computer to ensure that it boots correctly. If it still does not work, then chances are you simply cannot download and install the certificate for that website. It can happen. Certificate errors are normal, and you shouldn't worry when you receive them. Just follow the steps above, and if you did so and was successful in resolving the certificate error, then congratulations.